Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today we are going to do the 8th question of exercise 11.1, 7th grade CBSE NCERT Maths. The question is, a door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter and the breadth is 3.6 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall if the rate of whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. Here you can see the wall and the door. Dimensions are also mentioned here. Here we have to find the cost of whitewashing the wall. Before finding the cost of whitewashing, we have to find the area of the wall to be whitewashed. That is, area of the wall to be whitewashed means we don't need to whitewash this door. That means we need the area of the wall excluding this door portion. That is, we have to get the area of this much portion. What about this shape? It is not a rectangle or a square. Then how will you find the area of this shape? But we know the wall and the door both are rectangular in shape. And here we need the area of the wall excluding this door portion. That is area of this portion. But we don't know how to get the area of this shape. But we know the wall is rectangular in shape. Its dimensions are also given. So we can find its area using the formula length into breadth. So here we will get the area of the wall. In the same way, we can find the area of this door also because it is also rectangular in shape. And if we subtract the area of this door from this area of the wall, we will get the required area. That is the area to be whitewashed. Now let us solve. Here length of the wall is 4.5 meter, breadth is 3.6 meter. Area of the wall equal to length into breadth, that is 4.5 meter into 3.6 meter. So when we multiply 4.5 into 3.6, that is 6 5s are 30. So here 3, then 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 3, 27. 3 5s are 15, then carry over 1, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So adding, we will get 1620. Here in both the numbers you can see here there is 1 decimal place, here also 1 decimal place. So we have to put 2 decimal places here, that is from the right side. Count 1, 2, then put the decimal here. That is, we are getting the area of the wall as 16.20 meter square or 16.2. Next, we have to find the area of the door. Here given length of the door equal to 2 meter, breadth of the door equal to 1 meter. Area of the door, it will be length into breadth, that is 2 meter into 1 meter. 2 into 1, it is 2, that is 2 meter square. Now we have to subtract area of the door from area of the wall. Now, area of the wall to be whitewashed equal to area of the wall minus area of the door, that is equal to area of the wall, that is here 16.20, that is 16.20 meter square minus area of the door is 2 meter square. 2 meter square. Now how to subtract 2 from this number? Here you can see 2 decimal places. So we have to do the same here also. Because of these two decimal places, this 2 becomes 2.00. So 16.20 minus, you have to write 2 just below this 6 like this, then 0, 0. When we subtract, we get 14.20. That is equal to 14.20, that much meter square. Here it is given cost of whitewashing for 1 meter square wall equal to rupees 20. Therefore, total cost of whitewashing equal to this area to be whitewashed into 20, that is 14.20 into 20. You can write 14.20 as 14.2 also. For multiplying this, you write this number without decimal, that is 142 into, for 20 also you write 2 only. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. That is equal to 284. Then put 2 zeros. Since the decimal is after the 2 digits from the right, here also after the 2 digits from the right, you put the decimal here. That much rupees, that is equal to 284 rupees. Since the last digit here, it is 0, that is after the decimal, the last digit is 0, this can be written as 14.2 into 20, like this also. So multiplication is the same as this, and you will get the answer or product as 284. Here we have to put this 0 only here, and for decimal, here the decimal is after 1 digit from the right. So here decimal comes here. That is equal to 284 rupees. So the cost of whitewashing the wall is 284 rupees. Hope it is clear to you. This is the last question of this exercise. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.